Hi, it's Lynette here. So I am conscious that when I filmed my wardrobe tour and declutter that I didn't actually go through what I got rid of properly because the video was quite long. So what I did was I went downstairs with all the things I wasn't sure about and said to Steve yes or no. So I'm going to go through them just so you can see what I got rid of. There may be more. There may be more, by the way. So yeah, I've been doing some more decluttering today as well. It feels like it's never ending. But hey ho, we'll get there. So, yeah, this dress, I mean, it's lovely on, but it just wasn't. I just decided it was time for it to go. This navy top, really nice on. It's got that detail there, but it strangles me. The dress that I got from, where did I get this from? Fever Fish, which was in Dorothy Perkins, which is very pretty, but nah, not quite me. The newest shirt that I've only wore twice from Morrison's, but just makes me feel like I'm wearing a tent. It's an oversized shirt. But yeah, so today my outfit is rather fetching. Stretchy casual top, my green jogging bottoms. having one of these days where I don't want to wear anything that's uncomfortable, because when you have fibromyalgia, your skin hurts. People kind of wouldn't believe you, but my skin hurts. It hurts to be sitting in kind of clothes that are uncomfortable. And today I just thought, you know what, I'm in meetings, but as long as I've kind of got my makeup on, I've tied my hair back as well because it's been the end of a long day. I've got lots of meetings, lots to think about, lots to do, lots to follow up, and my desk looks like a bomb's gone off. So once I've done this, I'm going to go back and work for a couple of hours tonight just to try and clear my feet a bit because I'm in the office tomorrow. So you might remember this Joanna Hope jumpsuit that I said, you know, oh, I could only wear that if I was out with Steve. But he was just like, no, it's too black. Anyway, the George bottoms, they're crop trousers, too big now. Oh, this top from Morrison's, which I do have in a round neck, which is lovely, but for some reason, because it's V at the front and the back, it just doesn't sit very nice. I do wear the black one as a pyjama top, but this one, charity shop, pyjamas, too baggy. This kind of mustardy top, there's nothing wrong with it, I just never wear it. These lovely kind of cropped trousers from Tesco, too big. The jeans from Morrison's, the zip is broken, and to be honest with you, it's cheaper buying a new pair than getting the zip fixed. The Mr. Tumble top that Steve says looks really cheap. He says that looks cheap. I says it's Marks and Spencer's collection range I'll have, you know. Anyway, I agreed with him. This top I picked up from Morrison's and I loved it on the shelf, but see when I wore it, it just felt like the colours that I'm wearing today felt really drab. So not wearing anything that makes me feel drab. Oh, this shirt from Primark, it was fine. You know, it's nice and kind of pretty, but yeah, it just wasn't cutting it. Although, I'm tempted to keep it now. I'm looking at it. Oh, the trousers from Nutmeg. Yeah, what can I say? They've got like the silvery iron marks on them. Too big as well. Now, this was from Marks and Spencer's as well. The relaxed short sleeve crew neck. Just did nothing for me. And it bobbled under here. So, I was going to wear it to the gym, but I thought I don't actually even like how it kind of makes me feel. Lilac-y dress, which is lovely on, but too big now. Oh, I got this dress for a hen do in Benidorm, but just kind of not me. Went through a lacy phase. This one I have never worn. Yep, won't wear. Oh, another pair of black trousers, Marks and Spencer's collection. Just looking hideous now. A nice stripy top. So I tried it on the other day there. It is still inside out. And there was a hole. It's kind of ripped a bit. It's the kind of material that I couldn't sew because it'll just fray away. This dress is new from phase 8. Nope, I don't know what I was thinking. And I know some people would say, oh, you could sell that on Depop or Vinted or whatever. That just isn't for me. My my ADHD brain does not allow me to do stuff like that. These trousers, side zippers, horrendous. I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know what I'm thinking with today's uniform. Linen trousers, which look well past it, but if I don't get rid of them, I keep putting them on because I'm just working in the house. These jeans, well, they're not quite jeans, they're like canvasy kind of jeany things. Just really tight at the ankle and baggy everywhere else. 2 pairs of Asda chinos, which I wore constantly one year because it was so comfortable, but they're too big. This blouse, which is from Nutmeg, but I've decided it makes me look like a pensioner. I'm not that old. Jammy bottoms, but there will also be the jammy top to match this. So I think you'll agree I did really well. I'll count them all up because I need to include them in my decluttered. But yeah, I thought it would be quite good to come on and just kind of go through everything that I did decide to get rid of. I will show you my wardrobe if you can see. Yep. Much more kind of organised. I can see everything in there I know fits and that I will wear. Some of it I'm not 100% sure of, so they might still go. So anyway, thank you for letting me bore you with that one. I'm going off now to count them up so that when I do the video for Decluttered I can add in the numbers. But I'll probably drop the majority of this to the charity shop, the things that are ripped and broken into the bin. So catch up with you soon. Bye bye.